Okay, if you're a man and you do your own laundry for your dress shirts for work, you probably see this a lot. You get a lot of ring around the collar on your shirts. That's usually just an extra buildup around the neck area because of sweat and skin cells and things like that. And when you're doing your own laundry, sometimes you need a few tips on just pre-treating this ring around the collar. So I use a mix of 1 tablespoon hydrogen peroxide, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And I mix that all together, and I use an old toothbrush, and I literally just go in and start pre-treating that ring around the collar. So I'm gonna pause here. I'm gonna finish pre-treating this, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here's the finished pre-treated collar. I've scrubbed it with this mix of hydrogen peroxide, dishwashing liquid, and baking soda across the collar line. What I'll do now is I'll just throw this in with the rest of my laundry. I'll wash it as usual, and that'll be it. Uh, this is a solution that can be used by anybody, but I call it out for the fellas because, hey, we're the ones that are wearing these collars, and we got to help around the house sometimes and get these things cleaned. So I hope that tip helps for you, and good luck washing your laundry. Good day.